Hello everyone, I hope I'm audible. Welcome to lecture number 15 of your quadratic equation. Very interesting chapter and now nearly coming to an end. Okay, so finally I'll start with Pythagoras later on. Or दो lecture लगेगा, so don't worry. So seventh question of your problem set. Uh, it comprises of total six questions. We need to solve six quadratic equation, and there are many methods to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, just give me a moment. There are many methods to solve the quadratic equation. One might be the formula method, which you have studied. One is factorization method, which you have studied. ठीक है. There is also one more method known as completing square, जिसका जिक्र मैं बार बार करे जा रहा हूँ, but I have not teach you that method. I have not taught you. Okay, completing square method. मैंने अभी तक पढ़ाया नहीं है ये मेथड, सो टेंशन नहीं है. So it clearly indicates that if I haven't taught you that method, there are only two options left with you. एक है फॉर्मूला और एक है क्या बोलते हैं इसको, फैक्टराइजेशन. लिखा है तो भी पढ़ने को नहीं हो रहा है. So anyways, joke apart, we'll start solving them. Okay, I'll switch off my video for better streaming. It looks so shabby ना. ठीक है, anyways I'll rub it afterwards. So start solving the first question. It's so easy to say that start solving the first question, but वो uh, उसको थोड़ा ढंग से अच्छे से स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लाते हैं. एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट वन ना बच्चों, एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस फाइव. इधर से आया सर तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन किया. इफ यू ऑल वांट राइट इट एंड आई डिड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. अगेन आई एम नॉट रनिंग विद इट, आई वांट टू गो आराम से, बट you should understand. So x square plus x is equal to 5. Therefore, bring it in standard form. X square minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now I am deciding to solve this using formula method since it seems easy and formula method अच्छे से हो जाएगा. So now comparing with ax square, I am going a bit slow तो थोड़ा revision हो जाएगा तुम्हारा. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to -1, c is equal to -5. ये b is equal to -1 तो last lecture से चला आ रहा है. Anyways, so for formula method you should know the value of b square minus 4ac because formula में वो लगने ही वाला है. अच्छा, can anyone tell me what is the formula? So it is x minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. ठीक है. So here it's going to be minus 1 square minus 4ac, okay, which is equal to 1 minus 4 into minus 5, which is going to be 1 minus of minus 4 into minus 5 is plus 20, which is equal to 1 plus 20, which is equal to 21. इधर तक समझा या कुछ डाउट है? If there is any doubt, please let me know. Okay, so sorry, I don't know, there is some background disturbance at my place today. So what I was saying, हाँ अभी इसको फॉर्मूला मेथड से सॉल्व करो. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? फॉर्मूला इज दैट, अच्छा इधर से ही लिखा है मैंने फॉर्मूला. ठीक है, सो जस्ट इमेजिन कि यही मेरा फॉर्मूला है. आई एम नॉट राइटिंग इट सेपरेटली नाउ. x is equal to minus b, that is minus of minus 1 plus under root of b square minus 4ac is under root of 21 upon 2a. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1 plus root 21, plus or minus, so sorry, plus or minus root 21 upon 2. X is equal to 1 plus root 21 upon 2, or x is equal to 1 minus root 21 upon 2. Now you all manage this. तुम लोग अच्छे से मैनेज कर लेते हैं क्वेश्चन, so I am a bit relieved. इससे ज्यादा तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता. So therefore, just give me a moment. Therefore, 1 plus root 21 upon 2, comma 1 minus root 21 upon 2 are the roots of quadratic equation, are the roots of quadratic equation. I would suggest completing square method के नाद में पढ़ो ही मत जब तक मैं नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Be happy using this, I would say. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Factorization and formula method, they are the most easiest method to solve. Even I prefer that. Okay. So x square minus 3x upon 10 minus 1 upon 10. See, this question seems difficult. वो दिखता ऐसा है ना कि अरे बाप रे सॉल्व ही कैसे कर पाएंगे. But it's easy when you arrange it, when you bring it into standard form. Okay, it appears tedious, but it's not. Okay, trust me and the equation. दोनों को trust करो. So ये वाला question भी थोड़ा दिखता भयंकर सा है, but है easy. What is that? X square minus 3x upon 10 minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, I would say multiply by 10. उसको थोड़ा अच्छे रूप में लाने के लिए उसको multiply by 10 कर दो. Multiply by 10. Multiplying by 10 throughout. ठीक है. Now that you all can write, you all are matured enough. So x square multiply by 10 हुआ ना, तो इधर भी आ जाएगा 10x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. कुछ फर्क पड़ा नहीं. हाँ, सिर्फ वो डिनोमिनेटर हट गया. So now I would suggest rather than going for formula method, try for क्या बोलते हैं उसको, try for factorization ना. Wouldn't it be more easier, right? So factorization में क्या आ जाएगा? See factorization कैसे होएगा? 10 into minus 1 which is equal to minus 10. ठीक है, माइनस 10 हो गया. अभी मुझे इधर मांगता है 3, तो 5 2 10 एंड 5 माइनस 2 किया तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 3. प्रोवाइडेड इधर माइनस 3 किया इधर माइनस 10, तो माइनस एंड प्लस ऐसा साइन देंगे तो चलेगा. यस. सो आई होप फैक्टराइजेशन भी रिवाइज हो रहा है तुम्हारा. तो 10x स्क्वायर माइनस 10x स्क्वायर माइनस 5 प्लस 2x माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो ये दो ग्रुप बना दो. Take out the common from here. That is going to be 5x is the common term here, and either in the bracket it will be 2x minus 1. इधर बिना सोचे समझे लिख दो 2x minus 1, since दोनों ब्रैकेट सेम रहता है, plus 1. So 2x minus 1 and 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now either or will be 0, right? So 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 1 and 5x is equal to 1. X is equal to 8 minute. 5x is equal to minus 1. Be careful with the sign. Here it's going to be 1 by 2. Here x is equal to minus 1 by 5. Don't forget to write or. Okay. So 1 by 2 is also the root. And minus 1 by 5 is also the root. Okay. Therefore, 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 5 are roots of quadratic equation. Oh no, this E is coming so dirty. So done with the second question. Seems easy. थोड़ा confidence आया. Third question करते और confidence आ जाएगा. Don't worry. Just chill. Okay. Third question. 2x plus 3 the whole square is equal to 25. So 2x plus 3 the whole square is equal to 25. Just give me a moment. 2x square 2x plus 3 the whole square is equal to 25. See, I don't find any other option over here. इसको a plus b the whole square से लोग expand करते हैं, सिखाते हैं वैसा, but I feel कि वो थोड़ा बड़ा कर देता है sum को. And once the question का मतलब number of steps increasing, completing paper becomes difficult. So I would suggest be smart enough. So इसको ऐसा ही रखो 2x plus 3 the whole square को, ये minus 25 को इधर खींच दो, plus 25 minus 25 बन जाएगा. Okay. I need some space to write. Okay. So here it's going to be 2x plus 3 the whole square, ये minus 5 the whole square हो जाएगा, is equal to 0. Now here it's a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b. If you all find it easy, do in this way. Because मुझे ये easy लगता है. It depends upon you. Algebra you can solve using multiple methods and ideas. If you want to expand this using a plus b the whole square, so I'm okay with that method also, since it will also give you the answer. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे यही मेथड से करवाना है, but this is the method I found easy. So it's on you which method you want to do. So it is equal to 0 आ गया. Now just solve it now. So 2x plus 8 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 8 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x, अच्छा इधर तो जगह ही नहीं है. Therefore I would continue here only. 2x is equal to minus 8, or 2x is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 8 by 2, or x is equal to 2 by 2, if I'm not wrong. So ये x is equal to 2 ones are 2 minus 4s are, or x is equal to 1. Okay, therefore minus 4 comma 1 are the roots of given quadratic equation. ठीक है. Done with the third question. Still we are having 12 minutes. 12 से ज़्यादा ही है. In fact, it's 13 minutes. For 13-15 minutes. So we will just solve few more questions. Third हो गया ना? हाँ हो गया. Thank God. So there are total 6 sub questions in this. So we'll do that also. बाकी के 3 भी हो जाएगा. Don't worry. If you all have that patience, हो जाएगा. Chill. 3 ही तो है. 5-5 मिनट में हो जाएगा. 15 minutes में done with the session. I hope this question number 4, 5th and 6th is visible. Okay. So fourth question. M square plus 5, m plus 5 is equal to 0. I would suggest do it with formula method. ठीक है. So comparing it with standard form. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 5. So you need to know b square minus 4ac ka value as well. So here it's going to be 5 square minus 4ac. So 25 minus 4 into 5, which is equal to, don't misunderstand the steps. I'll write it neatly if you want. Here it's equal to so b square minus 4ac is equal to also 5. Formula is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X is equal to 5 minus 5 plus or minus under root of 5 upon 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. So minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Now I can't do anything over here. Therefore, I am having only two options, that x is equal to minus 5 plus root 5 by 2, or x is equal to minus 5 minus root 5 by 2, isn't it? So there are these are the roots of the given quadratic equation. That I don't know what is happening. Minus 5 plus root 5 by 2 and minus 5 minus root 5 by 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. I promise अगर ये 6 क्वेश्चन जल्दी ये 3 क्वेश्चन भी जल्दी हो जाएंगे ना, तो I will leave you early. Don't worry. I won't extend or I won't do anything else in the lecture. Next, 5m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. That is question number 5. 5m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. ठीक है? So I would suggest compare it with standard form first. As usual, formula method से ही करो. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 1. So find b square minus 4ac as usual. Here it's going to be 2 square minus 4ac. That is equal to 4 minus 4 5 are 20 into 1, which is equal to 20. So 4 minus 20, which is equal to minus 16, isn't it? So just pay attention over here. अभी इसका b square minus 4ac का value तो negative आ गया. So it means that b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So roots of the quadratic equation are not real. मतलब delta is less than equal to 0 हो गया ना. उसका मतलब ही क्या है कि roots are not real. Therefore the roots of quadratic equation are not real. Quadratic equation are not real. So our solving part stops here only, since we are not aware of solving negative roots, isn't it? कर तो सकते हैं. Are they telling us to find a root? क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? If you all want, you just try minus 16. Guys, minus 16 बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं पता है क्या? Root of minus 16 करते हैं, फिर उसको लिखते हैं -4. माइंड योर माय डियर स्टूडेंट, 4 का स्क्वायर 16 होता है एंड रूट 16 इज प्लस और -4. बट -16 इज इक्वल टू नॉट -4. ठीक है, एंड दैट इज द रीजन सॉल्विंग पार्ट स्टॉप्स ओवर हियर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड एंड यू ऑल आर जस्टिफाइड. If not, please feel free to speak in the comment section. The comment section is entirely yours. Sixth question we'll go ahead with, and the last question for today. X square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x. I don't know whose alarm is just troubling me. X square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So sorry for the disturbance. X square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So compare it with standard form. I'll suggest formula method से जाओ. Comparing with ax square. My God, again it started. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 4. Is this rubbish? B is equal to minus 4. C is equal to minus 3. Find b square minus 4ac. Minus 3, minus 4 into minus 3, which is equal to 16 minus 4 into minus 3 is 12. So minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12, which is equal to 28. ठीक है, formula minus x is, so sorry, what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, which is equal to, so x is equal to minus of minus 4 plus of minus root 28 upon 2a. ये थोड़ा सॉल्व करो, upon 2a. So what is 2a first of all? Minus 4 plus of minus root 28, 2 into 1, which is equal to minus of minus 4 मतलब कि 4 plus of minus root 28 upon 2. This can be also written as 4 plus or minus under root of 4 into 7 upon 2, which is equal to 4 plus or minus 2 root 7 upon 2. टू रूट 10 अपॉन 2. सो ये और भी कट हो सकता है if you take the common. I hope you all know how to take the common. So 2 ब्रैकेट में 2 प्लस और माइनस रूट 7 अपॉन 2, तो बचेगा 2 प्लस और माइनस रूट 7. ओके, तो ये भी x की वैल्यू है, डोंट फॉरगेट. देयरफॉर क्या चल रहा है, डोंट नो. देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस रूट 7 और x इज इक्वल टू 2 माइनस रूट 7. ठीक है, so 2 plus root 7 and 2 minus root 7 are roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, are roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, happy? So in within 22 minutes we have completed the lecture. If I want I can take one more sum. मेरा इच्छा बहुत है, but I don't want to just बोलते हैं ना, just want to suppress your interest, because 6 questions in 23 minutes is an amazing record. ठीक है, 24 पकड़ लो, चलो 24 पकड़ लो, तो 4 मिनट में एक क्वेश्चन करना, इट्स एन अचीवमेंट, इट्स एन अचीवमेंट. ठीक है, we did how many 6 questions, right, in just 24 minutes, 22 in fact, isn't it? We required 10 minutes to solve one sum, and now we are requiring only 4 minutes. This is the achievement I want to see, and I have that expectation and hope that you all can do it. Mathematics is easy if you take it easy. अभी तो बायट हो गया रहेगा. So just practice, just play with the questions, and the game is yours. Okay. So meet you all soon with an interesting lecture again. That is lecture number 16. Okay, lecture number 16 में वापस मिलेंगे, कुछ अच्छे अच्छे questions करेंगे. Okay, लोग पावड़ी करेंगे और हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे. So let's end the session here, and like share कर दो अगर पसंद आया तो. So bye bye and take care. See you all soon in the next class.